In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can make money with Google AdSense. Included in this video is everything that you need from the keywords, the different methods, and tips and tricks that you can use to start making money. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn everything that you need to know to start making money with Google AdSense. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so if we take a look at my screen here, you can see that Google AdSense will essentially pay you for creating content. Now, there's two primary ways that you can make money for the different types of content that you create, and we're going to cover that. But as you can see, it's free to start, and you can start with it depending on the method that you choose, which I'll show you in just a moment. You can start potentially making money right away. Now, I do want to caution you that the money that you make in the very beginning usually isn't very much because you have no traffic. But as you gain more traffic and more content you create, you can make 6 figures or more simply with Google AdSense. So let's go ahead and get right into it. One of the first ways, and maybe the most familiar way, is simply with a website. As you can see here, this is alstongodbolt.com, and at the very top, this is an ad. I could potentially make money if someone were to click on this button. There are two sides of marketing that you see. There's the free side and there's a pay side. What you're seeing on my website is geared towards free traffic, free SEO traffic. The other side is for paid traffic. Paid traffic is really designed to get in front of their target audiences much faster and potentially scale and make money. And so what people are doing on the paid side is they're working with Google and they're creating display ads or they're creating video ads, kind of like this one that you see at the top here. And what happens is they place bids. And here's a video ad at the bottom, and then there's all the way down at the bottom of the screen here, you see there's another ad. And what happens is someone, a company, a product owner, is agreeing to pay Google X amount of dollars per view so that they can show up on this website and get in front of people interested in a certain topic. Now, this is going to be key when you're creating content because you want to make sure that you are creating content within a niche. Now, again, there's two ways to do it. As you can see here, there are ads, and me as the content creator, I'll make money if someone were to click on this Best Buy ad. Now, don't go and click ads on your own website. Google's smart enough to know when people are doing that. You want to make sure that you are being ethical, but this is just the most easiest and obvious way. So let's go ahead and talk about how you can get in front of targeted traffic and start potentially making money with AdSense. The first thing that you want to do, obviously, is create a website. Now, creating a website is really easy. It takes about 10 or 15 minutes to set everything up. When you create a website, you want to make sure that you have a niche or an area of focus. You don't want to just create content on anything. You want to make sure that you are creating highly targeted traffic so that you can maximize the amount of money that you're interested in. Now, realize that everything is a niche, and while picking a niche is important, you can make 6 figures or 7 figures, potentially, obviously, with just about any niche. Now, one thing that you can do if you have no idea where to start is you can actually jump over to a website like Amazon and find different products to promote. Now, again, everything's a niche. And let's say for this example, we're going to use snowblowers. We look through here and we realize snowblowers are an opportunity, or you could even use something like these handheld massagers. What you can then do is go over to Ahrefs and type in snowblowers. Now, Ahrefs is a paid tool, and we're going to type in snowblowers, and what we see here is the keyword difficulty is hard. The keyword difficulty is on a scale between 0 and 100. The closer to 100 you get, the more difficult it can be for a new blog or website to rank. But what we're doing here is we went over to matching terms, and we want to find things that are relatively low competition. And to do that, we're going to change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less. So this should give you a better opportunity as a new blog or website. And you can look through here and find keywords. One thing that we can do is we can include something like best, just like this, hit enter. And you can see people are asking questions about best snowblowers under $1,000. And you could create content and potentially start getting traffic. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this a step further. Because this has low keyword difficulty and low search volume, we're going to need a bunch of other keywords. So we're just going to paste in best snowblowers under 1,000. And we're going to take a look at different websites that are ranking for this keyword. Our niche is winter or snowblowers, or outdoor power equipment. This is our niche. This is where we're going to create content. And so what we're going to do is we're simply just going to open up a number of these. We're looking for, again, small and medium-sized websites where we're going to create content. And what we're going to do, this website might be a good opportunity. We're simply going to copy this domain name like this, and we are going to paste it into Ahrefs. And when you take a look, we're going to find more keywords that are going to be relevant to our niche. So we can do two things. First, we're going to click, and we want to take a look at the keywords that this website ranks for, and then we can do the same thing with the web page. If you look, this web page ranks for 318 keywords, but if we back out just a little bit, let's delete all of that. Now we're going to take a look and see what the actual website ranks for, and we can go through and find keywords potentially to start ranking for. So as you can see here, this website has over 34,000 keywords. We're simply going to click on it. We're going to change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less once again, and this can either give us ideas for a new niche or where we can create content. Look at this. So tractor sprinkler, best zero-turn lawnmower under $3,000. These are all different places where we could create content. What I recommend that you do is find a website that is smaller, that has a lower domain authority in the millions, so that you can find one. So they're actually making money in a few different ways. They've got ads at the bottom here, and they have affiliate links over to Amazon or other affiliate programs. So we can do this once again. We're going to scroll up to the top, and I'm going to copy the link address, and we're going to paste this right into Ahrefs once again. And we're going to take a look and see what they rank for, and then we can create content too. And what I recommend that you do is create content. You can see the keyword difficulty here. We're going to change this once again to 10 or less. So you want to write blog posts that are answering questions or solving problems. For example, best two-stage snowblower under $1,000. That has a keyword difficulty of 5. It gets 250 searches per month. But Ego Snowblower Review, this is a keyword difficulty of 3 and has 1,900 searches per month. Now, when you look at something like snowblower, it's going to be seasonal. You want to try and pick something that's more evergreen. And one thing that you could do that is, in my opinion, pretty evergreen is we could type in something like things to do, just like this. And you're going to see there are thousands of monthly searches. We're going to change the keyword difficulty to 5 or less once again. And then we are going to exclude the word me, because people are only looking for things, the things to do near me is going to be answered automatically by Google. But if you look at this, things to do near Fort Smith, Arkansas, you could create a blog post where you list the 10 or 15 best things to do near Fort Smith, Arkansas. And if we click on TripAdvisor and some of these other ones, they're going to have ads, and those ads could be potentially from Google, and they make money. So if we scroll through here, all right, so it doesn't appear that they have ads, but let's go back and find one that does. So if we scroll down, fortsmith.org, let's see, thecrazytourist.com. As you can see here, the Crazy Tourist, let's see if they've got ads. I assume that this right here is going to be an ad. Oh, maybe not. If we keep going, there's ads at the very bottom here. And if someone were to click on these ads, there's another ad, there's another ad, there's already 3 of them right here. If someone were to click on these ads, the website owner makes money. And what you would want to do is, once you set up your website, go back over to Google Adsense and go through the process of signing up. Signing up, as I mentioned, is free. It takes a couple minutes. Within a week or so, once you answer all the questions and potentially put a .txt file in your WordPress website, you will have ads displaying and you will make money. Now, again, as I mentioned at the very beginning, it will start off as a trickle, and then eventually it'll be a waterfall as long as you continue to upload consistently and use keywords. But as you see here, there's a lot of opportunity, and this, you can use Ahrefs to find it. You can do things to do, you can do restaurants, you can do hotels, lots of opportunity, and everything's a niche. If you don't want to use something like this, go over to Amazon and find different products. For example, this handheld massager, we're just going to click on this, and we're just going to do massage gun like this, copy that, and then we're going to go back over to Google, paste it in, and then we can take a look and see and find small and medium-sized websites where they're talking about this massager and potentially create content. So if we look at this, supply leader, we can go through and find tons of opportunity. Just Gear seems like it's going to be a small website, so we can take a look at that. We can see, let's take a look at one more here on page 4. and we want to take a look and see what they're ranking for and potentially create content. Before you buy, review. That's probably a small one where we could create content, take their keywords and make better content. So if you look at this, this is probably a large website, and they don't actually have ads because they're linking out to Amazon, as you can see there. But this is just one way. This is probably the most common and obvious way to make money with Google AdSense. A better way, in my opinion, is with YouTube. Now, with YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but you can run ads in the beginning, middle, and end of your videos. For example, let's grab a keyword here. In fact, we'll go over to YouTube right now like this. Go to YouTube, and we're just going to type in best massage gun. Hit enter, and you're going to see you're going to see YouTube channels of all size ranking for best massage gun. If we take a look at this top result here, 163,000 views from 10 months ago about massage guns. If we take a look, this third one here, 12,000 subscribers, 172,000 views, and they're creating content about massage guns. This is only a 7-minute video. We click on this. I'll make sure this is muted. You should see an ad that shows up in the beginning of the video. And you should also see an ad that shows up here at the box. We'll just wait through and make sure that an ad does show up. Okay, so it didn't actually show up on this one, of course. Oh, okay, so this is an ad. This is an ad that does show up. And the amount of money that you can make with ads, and this is true for both the blogging as well as the YouTube channel, the amount of money will actually vary depending on your niche. If you're in a low CPM niche, something like a vlog style content, or something that doesn't have niche or direction at all, maybe you're in a prank style YouTube channel, you're going to have a low CPM. But if you're in something like finance, you're going to have an opportunity to make more money because it's a high CPM niche. Now, to get an idea of how much a YouTube channel makes, you can always copy the name here like this, and then go over to a website like Social Blade, and that's going to give you a rough estimation of how much a channel makes from AdSense. So what we're going to do is we're just going to paste this in just like that, and this is going to give you a rough estimation. It says that this channel is making $3,000 per month, but I can tell you, because they are in the health niche, which is going to be really competitive, it's considered a high CPM niche because people are willing to spend money to lose weight. You could potentially make money. The one drawback to this channel is that it appears that they might be all over the place. It does appear that they focus on things outside of health, but if you are in a niche and you focus on health or wealth or relationships, something where people are willing to spend money, you can actually make more. So there's two primary ways that you can make money with AdSense. One is starting a blog and creating content and consistently uploading. One of the best ways to find a niche is to find a blog that you like and put it into Ahrefs, as I showed you. Another way is to simply create a YouTube channel. The cool thing with YouTube channels is you don't have to show your face. You simply find a niche that you're interested in, create content, and potentially start making money that way. Now, again, with the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to be eligible. Just because you're eligible, there's no guarantee that you're admitted. Sometimes the type of content that you create can withhold the amount of money that you make. Now that you know 2 different ways to make money with Google AdSense, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.